मारेगा
हाँ मारेगा
मारेगा मारेगा मारेगा।
Today, I'm really sad and angry at the same time. Not because of my personal issue, no. Not because of any hate comment, no. It is because of an incident which shattered me from inside, in which an innocent person not only lost the life of his sister, but also lost his own life because of humiliation, discrimination, and a kind of a pain which you and me cannot even explain. It is called helplessness. He was helpless. Somehow nobody was there to raise his voice, and I really feel sad about it. And nobody even called me. If I would have got the message, I would certainly would have be there, fought for them, but somewhere it was a kind of a thing that we all were very unaware what happened exactly. I am sad not only because of this incident, but because of one more fact. Why the national media is silent? I tried to Google about it and get more information about the incident, and I found not even one national media talks about such incident. And it is a really shameless act. Are the people from the northeast are not the nationals of India? Are they not the citizen of India? Why they are always ignored by the national media? Caution on the national media. That's why today I am coming here, because we posted in our community post. We were just thinking, should we make the video or not? But people gave us the confidence and they shown trust on us, and they said we need you, and hence I am here with you for the support and humanity. And my friend, this incident I should talk later, but let me first of all show you.
ये हॉस्पिटल ने मेरा बहन को मार दिया। मला बुनी के मुराई दी जो हॉस्पिटल ने हरियाणा दे जो हॉस्पिटल तान कुंतु हॉस्पिटल दे कुंतु डॉक्टर बा कुंतु सर्जन बा कुन बा आइसक्रीम खिलायो आईसीयू ते तकार चुकरी के उदु को दिना मला आरो मुगी के मारजो मैं किलेंगा कुरेसी को आइसक्रीम किले को दो इंगा कुना तान पेपर का लुका है की कुरुले ट्राई करे।
So, what exactly happened? As per the sources of Facebook and YouTube, we got to know that there is a boy named Samuel Sangma, in which we also tried to search about on Facebook, and we got to know more detail about it. In this video, we are going to show you a footage in which the boy was trying to get justice for his sister, and he was trying to get to know about what exactly happened to his sister, and then the doctor was trying to hide the facts and figure, and then he was questioning why you gave ice cream to an ill person if the person was already ill and suffering. Why you need to give ice cream to them? And the doctors had no answer for that. And when the boy tried to ask them more, and he did the live telecast on his Facebook itself. And this is a fact, my friend, that this footage will really shatters you. And as you all know, people compare doctors to God, but here that image is getting shattered, and it is a black spot on the doctors community because of this doctor.
आप डॉक्टर कैसे करेगा?
This is private property.
This is private.
Yeah.
Okay. मारेगा
हाँ मारेगा
मारेगा मारेगा मारेगा
मारेगा
डॉक्टर है ना, डॉक्टर होके मारेगा आदमी को, डॉक्टर होके मारेगा, डॉक्टर होके मारेगा आदमी को। चलो वेट, ही डिड मी, वो मारो ना मुझे ना, मारो ना। नहीं मैं तो कैमरा में सब कुछ भी नहीं होगा ना, आपका भरोसा है ना?
कोई ऐसा है, देखो
आपका भरोसा है?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
तो आइसक्रीम क्यों खिलाया? आइसक्रीम क्यों हम लोग उस क्यों मंगाने दिया आइसक्रीम? आइसक्रीम ऑरेंज क्यों नहीं खिलाते? आप बोला आइसक्रीम ऑरेंज खिलाने से कोई बात नहीं है ना, सफेद खिलाने से कोई बात नहीं।
देख, last time I'm saying ice cream is not the matter.
मैम पर आइसक्रीम की जब बात ही ऐसा हुआ तो है ना, नहीं है
मैं मानती हूँ, लेकिन हमें नहीं पता कि वो पहले से कुछ खाती है या नहीं
कुछ
खाती।
नहीं खाते, बदनाम मत दो, चेक कर लो
आइसक्रीम चल
आपका
So guys, you've seen the footage, how the boy was trying and struggling to get justice and know about the condition of his sister, and he was trying to know why they gave ice cream, and nobody know what was the exact case was, and he was asking for the papers, and he was saying show me the paper, but doctors and the medical team was trying to hide the facts and figure. And then he not only this, we got more evidences in which he is trying to share his pain, what exactly happened. Listen to this call recording as well.
Get it right, like I was just roaming around Gurgaon. I just went back to the hospital. I slept all night at the hospital, outside the hospital. I said I need justice, but no one give a fuck about it. Like they told me that don't worry. Isaac said don't worry. The Sema Student Union said don't worry. Nagaland House said don't worry. Why will I not worry? It was my sister. Don't worry about that. I just got all the contacts. Okay, like Naga House, Sema Student Union, Nagaland Student Union presidents, and everyone is calling me. Okay, so I don't need anyone helps right now. I just need justice. Okay, I have to go down around 9 o'clock, and I want to know who was that person who called my mom. That they said that they will cut my sister in pieces and they will burn it. I want that person. पुलिस इज्जत पे नायो कौन पुलिस पे नायो हेल्प रोले मान मत ये कौन पुलिस पे नायो.
This was you can completely see the pain of the boy. Just imagine if you would be in place of that boy, how you would have felt. Certainly it is a pain which we cannot explain, and because of such incidents in the mainland with northeast people, so many people have sometimes fear to even come to mainland. Hence it is important, my friends from all India, respect the people of northeast, do not discriminate, and always believe everybody as equal and one, and nobody should discriminate anybody either from mainland or northeast. We should all live in love and peace. We should never try to demean anybody, discriminate anybody else. You should always remember your brother and sisters are staying in the mainland, and even the mainland people are many are doing our business in the northeast India. It is important to unite together, work together, live together, love together, and form a bond of love. And it is very important, my friends, that you need to always remember always to stay in love and never spread hatred, always spread love. Not only this, my friend, because of this humiliation, the boy felt so depressed, humiliated, ignored, and he felt he is not having any hope to live the life anymore. As per the media reports, it is said the boy lost his life because of this incident, and we all are really sad, and we have full condolences with the family members of the boy and this girl. And we request the authorities kindly investigate the issue, and we request the government of Haryana and the police authorities kindly investigate and do punish this doctor who hit the innocent person just for knowing the truth. What is this incident and what is this kind of behavior? And certainly, my friend, this is not the first time that the people of Northeast face such issue. It keep happening many times, and now this is the high time it being captured on the camera. And we need justice. It's not about the respect of late Samuel and his sister. It's about the respect of the Northeast people. It's about the respect of humanity. It is about the respect of all the brother and sisters who are staying here in mainland. It is about their safety as well. And we request each and everyone to unite together and let us fight for the justice of late Samuel and his sister. And to be a part of the initiative, just hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the bell icon. And yes, my friends, and if you really want to have any kind of support, I am here in Delhi. I will be very happy. I am associated with one NGO also, MIW Foundation. This works for medical facilities, and it also gives free medical checkups. And if you want any kind of assistance regarding medical help, just connect me on Instagram. This is my Instagram ID. Do message me. I'm always there for you, all the people. If you are in Delhi NCR, I will be always standing with you, because these kind of incidents should not repeat again. I just pray to God this should not repeat again, and I am ready to take the pain on me. If anybody have any issues, call me, contact me, message me on Instagram. I certainly will be there. This incident happened just because a local person was not with them, and they were just struggling. Please help us, and the doctor were thinking that as if nobody is there to care them. But they forgot. I am always there to support and care my brother and sisters from anywhere around India, South India, North India, Northeast, anybody, because we believe in love. And we are the army of love. We're gonna fight for the justice, and we're gonna definitely keep fighting for the justice for innocent. Guys, do be a part of this initiative, and do not forget to share the video, help your brother and sisters, and do not forget, love always wins. See you.